Sally Thibault, menopause wellness and fitness coach with over 40 years experience in fitness, counselling, and I'm also an EFT master trainer. I can help you navigate this sometimes tumultuous time in your life to feel stronger, leaner, and lighter as you navigate towards the best years of your life. I hope you enjoy this video.
Tapping on breaking that bad habit. All right, so just on a scale of 1 to 10, how strong is that bad habit for you to break, whatever it is? Is it the draw to eating chocolate? Is it the procrastination? Is it staying up late? Is it spending too much time on social media or scrolling your phone first thing in the morning when you know that that really impacts on you? So write that down, what it is. And on a scale of 1 to 10, just go inward and think, okay, how much do I really want to break this habit? It's got to be a strong why. Okay, why do I want to break this habit? So let me think in terms of me. Scrolling social media, it wastes time. And I don't know about you, but you kind of go link by link by link. You think I'll just get off for 5 minutes and half an hour's gone past. So for me, it's wanting to stop wasting time so I can stay really focused and clear on what it is that I want. All right, so writing it down. So on a scale of 1 to 10, how strong do you really want to break this habit? How much is it impacting on your life? So I'll say a 9. All right. So just center yourself for a moment. Take a deep breath. And let's start tapping. And when I say bad habit, I want you to say what it is, okay, in your world. Even though I have this bad habit and I really want to break it because it's impacting on my life, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Even though I have this really bad habit that is impacting on my life and I want to change it, I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. One last time. Even though I have this really bad habit, it's about a level 9. That's how much I want to change it. And I'm committed to it. I deeply and completely accept myself and how I feel. Okay, deep breath. We're going to tap on the points. This bad habit. Now remember, I'm going to say bad habit, but you say what it is for you. So for me, it'll be this scrolling habit. For you, it might be this eating chocolate habit. But remember, with tapping, it's got to be very precise. This bad habit that's impacting on my life. I know it's impacting on what I want to achieve. This bad habit. I'm ready to let go of this bad habit. Sometimes it can be so subconscious. I start doing it without realizing that I am. But I'm committed to changing this habit. It frustrates me. It's holding me back from achieving what I want. This habit I want to release. Okay, take a deep breath and let it go. Okay, I want you to now to just think of that bad habit. So mine's gone from a 9 to a 5. So in this round, what I want you to do is to look at what is it that habit is protecting you from. Because it always is. That habit is protecting you from something. So there's 2 sides to this. In EFT, we always look at, okay, what's the upside of it? What is it that is causing you to continue to do it? What's the benefit to you? So for instance, I'm going to talk about, scrolling social media. The benefit is that I don't put myself out there as much as I want, or almost gives me an excuse to not be successful. Procrastination. Procrastination is an interesting one because it's often the thing that helps you fail privately rather than failing publicly. Gay Hendricks in his book, The Big Leap, talks about that, where we create the habit that protects us from something public. So if you, for instance, procrastinate, what's that habit protecting you from? Does it feel unsafe to be successful? Does it feel unsafe, makes you feel vulnerable in doing what you want? Maybe it holds you back, for instance, from making that sale or talking to somebody. The chocolate, is that things like I'm not eating enough protein, or I need some love in my life, or whatever that is. So you always look around for what's the benefit of holding this bad habit, because there's 2 sides. No, you want to let go of it, and you still can't. So we're going to tap on that now. I want you to think in your mind, what's the benefit to me of continuing on with this habit? Okay, and tap. this benefit. There's a benefit to this habit. And tell me what it is, or you say what it is, this benefit. It stops me from whatever it is. It gives me an excuse not to. This habit that has a benefit to it. It stops me from being truly successful. This habit stops me from achieving what I really want. Maybe it's unsafe for me to achieve what I want to achieve. This habit of, whatever it is, this habit I really want to break, but there's a benefit to me. I choose to release that benefit and replace it. Take a deep breath and let it go. Okay, let me know what it is now. Mine's down to a 2. So let me know in the comments if it's come down somewhere. That's what we're looking for, remember. If I was working with you, what I would do is we would continue to go further into why the habit is safe for you, why, not stepping out, or why creating this self-sabotage feels safe. But there's more to unpack with this in order to break that habit. But for the purpose of this tonight, it's all about kind of taking the lid off it a little bit so you become more aware. And what I would ask you to do is to, when you go to bed tonight or later on, what is this benefit? Am I ready to smash through that? All right, we're going to do a reframe round for the purpose of brevity. We'll do a reframe round so you can come back and see. So, but if it's up around the 4 or 5, you'll need to do some more tapping on it. But mine's a 2, and I'd like to get it down to a 0 or 1, but we could be here all day. So let's do a reframe round, shall we? Take a deep breath. All right. Even though this habit of, whatever it is, has been protecting me, I choose to reframe it. Even though this habit has some way kept me safe, I choose to release it and reframe it. Even though this bad habit has actually been keeping me safe, and I choose to reframe it. Okay, tapping now. I choose to release this bad habit. I choose to get underneath the reason for it. Choose to release all self-sabotage so I can live my best life. I choose to be conscious of this habit and catch myself when I'm in it. I choose to reframe this habit. I choose to release it so I can live my best life. And just take a deep breath and let it go. Woo! I felt that too. I just actually really felt that strongly.
Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please post them below. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you do not miss another video on my channel. And I also invite you to join my Facebook group, Living Lighter, in order to have daily inspiration, motivation, education to help you navigate this wonderful time of your life. I'll see you soon.